Say hey.
Hello.
Oh, a real expert now. She's good.
Alright, here I go.
Here she goes. Give her some room. Sherry is a regular hot rod. She was nervous at first, but boy, it didn't take long. It is bitter cold out here. It's probably 0. It was 3 below when we started. The wind's blowing, but the machines are keeping us warm. We got warm suits on. Sun is shining. It's a little bit of snow flying. But man, these machines are a load of fun. Here she comes again. Waving, there she is. Who would have thought a Florida girl could handle a snowmobile? We're having a great time. We've been out for maybe an hour or so, and it is just, it's a blast. It is an absolute blast. The scenery is awesome. There's no other people hardly around. And you just ride the trails, miles and miles of trails through some beautiful, we're up in the Rocky Mountain National Forest right here. We're in what they call a meadow. It's a place where you can kind of drive like crazy and not worry about hitting trees or anything like that. And you see Sherry's kicking up a lot of snow out there. Here she comes back. She is having a good time.